Every car begins its journey long before it reaches the factory, with raw materials sourced from around the world.
Every raw material is tested to meet the highest safety and durability standards.
Phase 2, stamping and body manufacturing. Giant presses shaping steel into doors, roofs, and frames.
The deviation is within tolerance here.
Good. The laser scan confirms the geometry.
Robotics assemble the car body with millimeter-level accuracy, ensuring safety and durability.
Phase 3, painting and surface protection, cleaning and pre-coating. Car bodies enter washing and phosphate treatment chambers.
This multi-layer process ensures both durability and aesthetic perfection.
Electric or hybrid, each powertrain is built to exacting standards.
Each component contributes to a safe, smooth, and reliable ride. Modern cars are as much about electronics as mechanics.
Now, thousands of individual parts work together as one machine.
Every car is pushed to its limits before it reaches the road.
And that's how a car is made, to trade, from raw materials to the road-ready machine.